Travel. Travel is one of the best ways to relax and enjoy life. It gives you a break from your daily routine and helps you feel fresh. When you travel, you get to see new places, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. It doesn't always have to be a long or expensive trip. Even a short journey can make you happy and reduce stress. Spending time in new surroundings helps you think clearly and come back with a positive mindset. Travel also teaches you many things. You learn how to adjust, plan, and handle situations on your own. It makes you more confident and independent. At the end of the day, travel is not just about visiting places, it's about creating memories, enjoying the moment, and feeling alive. So, whenever you get a chance, take a break and explore the world around you.